Here we have question 5. We're asked to write the converse, inverse, and contrapositive of the form of the conditional statement, then determine if that statement is true or false. If it's false, we have to give it a counterexample. So if M is the midpoint of line segment AB, please understand that this would be the P, the hypothesis. Anything after the word then would be the conclusion, which is Q. The converse would just be the Q first, so I'm going to copy this. That's the converse. And then we can write then. And this is here. Oh, I forgot the if statement. So here's if. Okay. That would be the converse. You flip the Q and the P. The inverse, we would just have to put not in front of it. So if, then, so here we can say if M is, let's put the word not. If M is not the midpoint of AB, then AM is not equal to 1/2 AB. Contrapositive would be the not version of the converse. So here's the converse. And let's just put AM is not equal to AB. And then M is not the midpoint of AB. So it should look something like that. Okay. Now we can prove it. Okay. This is technically false. The converse here would be false, and the reason why, because watch me draw it. This can be A, this is M, and this is B. If this is 4, if AM is 4, MB can be 8. Here you can see that the AM is not equal to 1/2 of AB. Okay, because AB is 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Right? That also disproves the inverse as well. Next, if two solid segments, if you add two solid segments, then the resulting segment would be bigger. So the converse of that would be if, let's say, we can say if the segment be larger, or is larger, if the segment is bigger, then you can add two solid segments. So something like that. If the segment, not B, probably write the word is large, then then it is made up of two small segments. Perfect. The inverse would be the not version of this, so let's grab it. Okay, and let's put not. If you don't add two solid segments, then the resulting segments will not be larger. And then the contrapositive would be not version of this. So that should be is not. Okay, then it is not made up. Is not made up of adding two solid segments. There you go.